Welcome back, everyone. This is a Super Semi series. We have 20 vans. Only 2 vans per semi race will go through. NZ Racing, who is in the lineup for tonight's first Super Semi?
Okay, first up tonight is that awesome looking Suburban 60 van built and driven by Connecticut's master drag racer, Blue Line Racing. And next up, we've got Cassie Johns driving the Deadhead van for another well-known American diecast builder, 100 Proof Racing. And squeezed in the middle, all the way from the southern suburbs of the USA, is Shotgun Red, driving for Po' Boy Racing in the Red Shed. Good luck, guys.
Taking up the 4th spot is Top Jimmy for Power Drive Racing. He's driving Rhonda. This one's weighing 96 grams. And in the last spot is Speedy G for G-Force Diecast Racing in Gold Rush. As mentioned earlier, only 2 vans per Super Semi go through to the finals. Good luck. Well, and Zed, some big teams heading home tonight. It's unfortunate, but that's how it is. It's a shame to see some of these fine die-cast vans leaving this competition. What are your thoughts?
Hey, on card track, the Super Semis are definitely living up to their name, mate. That was awesome to watch, and it's just a shame to see Blue Line, Po' Boy and Power Drive disappear because they put on a hell of a show.
They certainly did, NZ. That was a cracker of a first semi.
Ladies and gentlemen, just focus your attention here for a moment and stare down at these two absolute champions of Vantastic. We have got Cassie Johns from 100 Proof Racing, and we've got Speedy G from G4 Diecast Racing. They're off to the finals.
Yeah, good racing by all teams here tonight. Okay, NZ, let's head into Super Semi-Final 2. Let's see who we have at the start gate.
First of the next 5 contenders of Vantastic is Jay Woodsy Woods from Lost Coast Racing. He's driving Brandy and who is showing off a lovely pair of Blackfire tyres tonight. Up next we have the man, the myth, the dancing legend himself, Scorpio Lovesmith. He's behind the wheel of Sally, driving for Power Drive Racing and also sporting a lovely pair of Blackfire tyres. Dun, 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 dun. And here he is, the man himself, Mr. T, driving the 18 van, 100 Proof Racing. I pity the fool who gets in his way.
Next up, driving the Cooper's fast delivery is Bandit, driving for Po Boy Racing. This one's weighing 100 grams. Good luck tonight. And taking up the last spot is Marty McFrance for 100 Proof Racing in the frickin' Morty van. Good luck, teams. We'll see you at the end. NZ Racing, what a super semi race this has been. Look at the pile up there, mate. What do you reckon?
How cool was Super Semi 2? Full of carnage, full of crashes, vans parking on buildings, vans parking under buildings. I've had way too many copies. I want to go and see who made it through the finals. Follow me.
You see Po Boy Racing trying to get some air right on that rail, and look at that merger getting hammered. 400 grams of die-cast vans hitting that merger. It's holding up well.
Congratulations to Jay Woodsy Woods from Lost Coast Racing, driving Brandy. Awesome driving tonight, mate. And also Mr. T, hired specifically for this tournament from 100 Proof Racing. Gosh knows what that cost you. This is getting really exciting because you guys are off to the finals.
That's a wrap from Vantastic tonight. We'll be back with Super Semi 3 and 4 very soon. Thanks for watching, and thank you NZ. Catch you later.